Hello students, today in Practical Geometry chapter 4, we will learn how to construct a quadrilateral. Last day, students, you have learned how to construct quadrilaterals with the help of 4 sides and a diagonal. Today, we will construct quadrilateral with the help of 3 sides and 2 diagonals. 3 sides and 2 diagonals will also help us to construct a quadrilateral. Look here, in exercise 4.2, question number 1, first question. Look here everybody. Construct quadrilateral LIFT where Li equal to 4 centimeter, IF equal to 3 centimeter, TL equal to 2 centimeter, TL equal to 2.5 centimeter, LF equal to 4.5 centimeter, and IT equal to 4 centimeter. Look here. Before constructing this quadrilateral, we have to make a rough diagram. That is LIFT. This is a rough diagram where Li given, IF is also given, TL is also given, LF it is your diagonal, and IT this is also your diagonal. Now, what is the base of this quadrilateral? Base of this quadrilateral is your Li. So first, with the help of scale and good scale and compass, you have to draw a line segment Li of 4.4 centimeter. Li equal to 4 centimeter. After taking base, you have to draw the arc of diagonal. The 2 arcs of diagonal. What are the arcs here? LF and IT. What is the length of LF? LF equal to 4.5 centimeter. So with the help of ruler and compass, you just keep your compass at point L and draw an arc of LF. This is LF. This is your arc of LF. And next, IT. This is IT. What is the length of IT? 4 centimeter. Now you have to keep your compass at I and take 4 centimeter with the help of ruler and compass. Keep your compass at I and draw an arc of 4 centimeter IT. Here IT, here LF. Okay. Now next, look here. What is this? IF. This is IF. IF equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Now you keep your compass at I. And cut it. This is F. IF. You have got IF. Now this is your TL. TL how much? 2.5 centimeter. Now you keep your compass at L and cut it. This is TL. Now join TL, IF, TF, LF and IT. This is your quadrilateral LIFT. Look here. Here we have used 3 sides LI, IF and TL and 2 diagonals IT and LF. 2 diagonals. So LIFT your quadrilateral is completed. Okay. Now with the help of this diagram, you can do question number 2 of 1. Same thing you have to do. No need to change anything. Just you draw a rough diagram. What is given here? Given quadrilateral GOLD. So first you GO, then you have to draw 2 diagonals, and then you have to take here JD and here, and then you have to join the diagonals and all the sides. You will get your diagonal and quadrilateral GOLD. Okay, in this way you will do GOLD. You will construct GOLD. So question number 1, second I am giving you homework. Now I am going to do question number 1/3. 1/3. How will do 1/3? Look here. Question number 1/3. How you do it? What is your question number 1/3? 1/3. Rhombus. You have to draw rhombus. B, E, and D. B, E, and D you have to draw, where BN equal to 5.6 centimeter. BN equal to 5.6 centimeter and DE equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now, only two sides, the length of two sides given only. BN and DE. BN equal to 5.6 centimeter and DE equal to 6.5 centimeter. Then how will you construct it? First, you have to draw rough diagram. As I told you earlier, always you have to draw rough diagram. B, E, and D. Now BN, what is given here? BN equal to how much? 5.6, and D equal to 6.5. D equal to 6. It means in these questions the length of two diagonals given, BN and D. These are the length of two diagonals. So how will you construct it? Now you have studied in chapter 3. In chapter 3 you have studied one of the properties of rhombus. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. So with the help of this property of rhombus, you will construct this. What is the property? Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Bisect means divide into two equal parts. Then how will you construct? Look here. First, you will draw DE. Diagonal DE. This is diagonal. D is your diagonal. Okay. In these questions, B is your base, but don't take B. You have to take D your diagonal, because with the help of diagonals you have to construct this rhombus. So D is your diagonal. Now, what is the length of D? 6.5 centimeter. You have to draw 6. Now, next work is your to bisect D. How you bisect? You keep your compass at D. Keep your compass at D. At D you keep your compass. Take more than half of D. Cut an arc up and down. Then you have to keep your compass at E. Same arc you have to take up and down. Now your D is bisected. Your D is bisected. Okay? D is bisected. You have to take more than half of D. Then D is bisected. Now, what is your next diagonal? BN. What is the length of BN? 5.6 centimeter. As I have told you just now, diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Now D has been bisected. That means 6.5 has been bisected into two equal parts at right angle. Now BN equal to 5.6. What is the half of 5.6? Half of 5.6 is 2.8 centimeter. Half of 5.6 upon 2 equal to 2.8 centimeter. Now you just draw a line segment of 2.8 centimeter. 2.8 centimeter. Okay? Take this line segment 2.8 centimeter. Now keep your compass here at the midpoint here and take 2.8 up, 2.8 centimeter up and 2.8 centimeter down. Write on here B N. This is, you have to keep your compass here 2.8 centimeter up and 2.8 centimeter down. This 2.8 totally completed how much? 5.6 centimeter. Now join BD, BN, BE and EN. Your rhombus BE and D has been completed. Which property you have used here? You have used diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Look here, this is your right angle. This is your right angle. So with the help of this property, you have completed how to construct rhombus. Use the help of two diagonals. Here two diagonals BN and D given. Okay? Thank you, children.